So now let's see how we can work around with linear motion blur inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have a picture, and if I want to go around and add in linear motion blur to it, then I can go around onto the filters menu and then I can go around onto blur. And over here you can see that linear motion blur is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that you can see that a linear motion blur is added in. And here are the on-screen canvas controls. So you can see that you can go around and click and drag around right here, just like this, to change around the amount of motion blur right here. You can also change around the direction, as you can see right here. You can go around and turn the on canvas controls off over here as well, and work around with the length right here, just like this. Or you can just go around and turn the on canvas controls on right here so that you can see this out. So you can go around and change around the length of the motion blur right here, and change around the angle over here, just like this, to change around like where the motion blur actually happens. So this is how you can go around and work around with linear motion blur. So over here you can go around and then, let's say for example, you can go around and then apply the blending modes right here. Like you can go around and lighten only and so forth, and then it blends out with the original image that you have. So over here you can see the preview. You can turn it on and off right here, or you can also go around onto the split view, and over here you can see that you can see the before and after, and disable this out as well. So apart from that, you can go around with the opacity level right here, and you can increase this out and decrease this out, and then it covers up the original image right here. So if I were to go around and press OK, then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with linear motion blur inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.